Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna go over how to link Google My Business to Google Ads. So you need to link your Google Business profile. In your Google Ads account, what you want to do is click the campaigns icon and then go ahead and click on the assets drop down section menu. So once you click on assets, I want you to go ahead and click on the plus button and choose a location. Then choose our locations and click on continue, and your domain should show up automatically. If it doesn't, guys, you need to enter a domain to discover the potential business profiles and select yours. All right. And of course, select the countries by clicking the pencil icon and then go ahead and click on save. Now, the list below, you'll find the business profile that best matches your business. Go ahead and click on select and confirm that the correct business profile is showing, matching in the preview, and then go ahead and click on continue, and your request will be sent to the email address for the business profile you have selected, and your request is approved. Locations for that account will be eligible to show as location assets with your ads. And it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this guide helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.